Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a dipping challenge, which was inspired by this video by Bruno's Gewa. So the challenge consists of you have 30 seconds, you do one dip, then the next 30 seconds you do two dips, and you go until you have nothing left inside of you basically. So the original challenge in Bruno's video was with 45 seconds of time, but I'm gonna do it with 30 seconds just to save some time, and it's going to be more intense. So enjoy watching the video, guys.
Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Everyone making excuses, I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off, know that I'm never gon' lose it. Got addicted to the chase now, people saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gon' stand still, I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me, they treating me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me. They treating me like I'm a salary, they bringing me up in discussion. They wondering how do I do it so casually. I celebrate all of my victories, all of a sudden they